So I poked the hole here, and then with the hole I plugged the WD-40. This one is a gel lubricant, and you see here we're making sure that all this lubricant is inside this boot seal. Like this, so it's all well lubed. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side because it's two-sided. And to remove this, it was a 21mm bolt with a nut on the other side, and then you have the strut that we are replacing anyways, which are 18 on each side. That strut was finished. It was leaking too. So the main problem with the squeaking is this bushing right here on the hub. The only way to change this is if you press it out, but you'll have to take the entire hub out, so it's a lot of work. So what I'm gonna try is just lube the inside of this bushing, and that's it. Hope it helps. And yeah, lubrication, and you'll have to jack up the rear control arm from here, and then you'll have to meet with the hub in order to align. Careful, there's a lot of tension. The spring is just here, and maybe you'll have to move it forward a little bit like this. You see, try to use the edge. Be careful with your fingers. I'm gonna do it again. See, it's a lot of tension. Like this. See the edge of my jack? So this way I can push it afterwards. So you see, I'm jacking it up, but I'm gonna also push it. And like I said, be careful. See, I'll push it forward like this, and then you try to align it, and yeah, like this. Just make sure it's gonna be aligned properly. And you see, that's why I said be careful. And now it's under a bit of tension. Just gonna release it a bit. Okay, I can do it like this. So I'm prying it up. Got it. Aligned. There you go. That's around 100 pounds-feet of torque. And for this strut, maybe I'll have it listed down below for the tools.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before.